Hello everyone and welcome to the Digital Future Series episode 4. Today we'll talk about something interesting about ODIN Workstation. Since last 3 episodes, I've been talking about how ODIN Workstation has helped the operators, helped the line, the assembly process to improve the efficiency and eradicate any errors. But what goes behind making these things? How the process steps are configured, how they are put together, and how the engineers work at the back end to analyze the data coming out of this line. So let me take you backstage to show you the creation of ODIN Workstation, its process steps, the images, and subsequently how the data gets analyzed and improves the efficiency further. So let's go back end to meet our process engineers now. Hello everyone, meet Rushikesh. Rushikesh heads up process engineering department and he will now show us how easy it is to configure the process steps, images and instructions for the operator on the line. Hello Rishikesh.
Hello Himanshu. So this is the login page of the ODIN manager wherein I put in my credentials and login. I go to the line configuration tab which has a list of options which can update the sequence. Go over here, I select the station and the part. Then over here you will see the entire sequence of this particular part on this station, and I can move the sequence up. So now see this has moved up. I can also delete any step that I want, and over here I'll also be able to change the image of this particular operation images. So this is the image that is available right now. If I go over here, it will give me the option to select and when I click save, it will be saved as a new image.
Wow, that was really interesting and easy. So we just saw how easy it is for any engineer to actually make changes on the line from his office and implement the necessary process steps. Next up, Rishikesh, can you show us please how this data which is now coming from the line is used by the industrial engineers to improve the line efficiency?
So this data helps the process engineer to optimize the line and know where the bottlenecks are. So let's deep dive into the report. Over here, we'll select the date which we have the report for, because the report has stored for almost 5 years. We select the date, we select the shift, we say filter, we get all of the data over here. And let's say for example,
this is the data of all the parts operating that particular shift. So if you open one of them now, you can actually see what the content of the data from the line is. Alright guys, that was Rishikesh explaining us the ease of implementing changes, process steps and also viewing the results to improve the line efficiency. Thank you Rishikesh. Thank you guys for watching the 4th episode of the Digital Future series. I really appreciate you taking the time out to understand what we are doing at Jendamark and especially with ODIN. In the next episode, we'll be talking on ODIN Phantom devices. So stay tuned and see what we do with ODIN manufacturing system in Jendamark now. Thank you.